Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 6. This is our last module for the term. Please note that this module does run over 2 weeks. When we look at the course calendar, your Ethics, Advocacy, and Promotion of Equity presentation is due October 13th at 11:59 p.m. CST. If you would please submit your presentation to the Brightspace assignment Dropbox. You will also post your presentation to the discussion board. We will have a discussion that second week of Module 6. Now, please note that the discussion will be a condensed week. We do end on October 17th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, as a recap, when we look at Module 6 does run over 2 weeks. We do not have a discussion this first week. You will have time to work on your assignment, to complete your assignment, and to submit in the Brightspace Dropbox. You will also post your presentation to the discussion board so we can have a discussion that second week. All comments, all responses to your peers, all closing remarks should occur prior to October 17th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. One final remark I would make is to please also remember to complete the e-portfolio. Per the MSN handbook, MSN students must upload the interview assignment and the presentation assignment to the Brightspace portfolio. I have included instructions for the portfolio for you here. You do not need to upload anything into this Dropbox. You have already submitted your assignments in the assignment link. But I included this assignment here so that you would know that it is indeed an assignment. I need you to submit your interview assignment and your presentation assignment to the Brightspace portfolio. Unfortunately, there is not a way for us to link the portfolio within the course. So it's something that it's an extra step you need to do because there is no method within Brightspace for us to link the two. If you have any questions about the ePortfolio, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. If you have any questions as we finish this term, again, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much.